CBSE Mathematics Class 12 Miscellaneous Exercise on Chapter 12. Question number 3. Question number 3 state a dietitian wishes to mix together two kinds of food, X and Y, in such a way the mixture contains at least 10 units of vitamin A, 12 units of vitamin B, and 8 units of vitamin C. The vitamin contents of 1 kg food is given below, that is, in food X, vitamin A is 1 unit, vitamin B is 2 units, vitamin C is 3 units. And food Y contains vitamin A 2 units, vitamin B 2 units, vitamin C 1 unit. 1 kg of food of X cost rupees 16 and 1 kg of food Y cost rupees 20. Find the least cost of the mixtures which will produce the required diet. Now you see the table. Here the food X kg and Y kg. फूड एक्स का 1 kg लिया है, इधर वाई का 1 kg लिया है. विटामिन ए बी सी इन एक्स फूड contain vitamin A 1 unit, 2 units and 3 units, whereas in Y food of 1 kg contains 2 units of vitamin A, 2 units of vitamin B, 1 unit of vitamin C, and the cost of 1 kg of food X, that is rupees 16 per kg, here rupees 20 per kg. The mixture of X and Y vitamins at least means it is the compulsory here, that is constant is A should be, vitamin A should be 10 units, vitamin B should be 12 units, vitamin C should be 8 units. So let us assume that let the mixture contains X kg of food X. This is a small letter of X, and here it is X. This X, capital X, represent the food, and Y kg of food Y. The mathematically formulation of the given problems is as follows. Minimize the cost. We have to minimize the cost, that is objective function will be 16x. You see 16 into x small x plus 20y. This will be our first equation. Now the subject to constant, that is x plus 2y, should be greater than or equal to 10. And 2x plus 2y should be greater than or equal to 12 for B, or this can be written like this also, because we can divide both sides by 2. We will get here x plus y should be greater than or equal to 6. Now 3x plus y should be greater than or equal to 8, and x and y both should be greater than or equal to 0, non-negative restriction. Here we have to find the point of intersection. X plus 2y is equal to 10 and x plus y is equal to 6. After solving, you will get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. This will be the point of intersection of these two equations. Similarly, for x plus 2y is equal to 10 and 3x plus y is equal to 8, here x will be equal to 1.2 and y is equal to 4.4. X plus y is equal to 6 and 3x plus y is equal to 8. After solving, we will get here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. So now Here the point of intersection has been summarized here for the second equation and third equation. Second equation and third equation के लिए point of intersection, that is x to y is 4. Second and fourth, that is 1.2 and 4.4. Third and fourth, the point of intersection is 1 and 5. Now we start plotting the graph. You see here, once we plot the graph, here x plus 2y is equal to 10. So AB line will represent the graph. Here 3x plus y is equal to 8. This line represents the graph. In order to find out the points on the x and y axis, put x is equal to 0, you will get the point on y axis. And if you put y equal to 0, you will get the point on x axis. So just taking the 2 points on x and y, we can join the line. Similarly, here x plus y is equal to 6. This graph line. Now with the help of this graph line, we can draw the feasible region, that is unbounded region is here, because you see the upper part of it has been shaded here. So the corner points are A, that is 10, 0. If you solve it, you will get the objective function, that is 160. B, that is 2, 4, 112, this is the minimum. And C, that is 1, 5, 116. And D, that is 0, 8, 160. You see, as the feasible region is unbounded, therefore 112 may or may not be the minimum value of Z. For this, we draw a graph of inequality, that is 16x plus 20y is less than 112, or 4x plus 5y is less than 28, and check whether the resulting half plane has the point in common with the feasible region or not. As feasible region has no common point with 4x plus 5y less than 28, therefore the minimum value of Z is 112 at 2, 4. Thus, the mixture should contain the 2 kg of food X and 4 kg of food Y. The minimum cost of the mixture is 112. Here. Now let us proceed to question number 4. Question number 4 states that a manufacturer makes 2 types of toy, A and B. 3 machines are needed for this purpose, and the time in minutes required for each toy on the machine is given below. That is type of toys, that is A and B. Machine is 1, 2 and 3. For the toy A, it required 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 6 minutes. For B toy, that is 6, 0, 9. Each machine is available for maximum 6 hours per day. If the profit on each toy of the type A is rupees 7.50 and that of the each toy of the type B is rupees 5, so that 15 toys of type A and 30 of the type B should be manufactured in a day to get the maximum profit. Let us proceed. Now see here the question number 4. Type of toys A and B, the time required by the machine, that is first, second and third are as follows, that is 12, 18, 6 minutes, 6, 0, 9. Now profit per piece is 7.50 and 5. Let the number of the toys be X and Y. टाइप ए जो है X ले लिया, टाइप बी को Y ले लिया. Minimum time of availability of the machine means the machine 1 is available for 6 hours, means 360 minutes. Machine second requires 6 hours, 360 minutes. Machine third that available for 6 hours, that is 360 minutes. Now, in order to maximize the objective function, that is Z will be equal to 7.50 into X plus 5Y. देखिए 7.50 into X plus 5Y. This will be our objective function. Now subject to constant, that is 12X plus 6Y less than or equal to 360. It can be further simplified. 2x plus y less than or equal to 60. This will be the second equation. 18x plus 0y is less than or equal to 360. That can be written. X is less than or equal to 20. This will be third equation. 6x plus 9y is less than or equal to 360. It can be further simplified. That is 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 120. This will be the fourth equation. X and y both are greater than or equal to 0. That is non-negative condition. Non-negative condition is here. That is the fifth equation. Now in order to find the point of intersection, 2x plus y is equal to 60 and x is equal to 20. The point of intersection will be x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 20. 2x plus y is equal to 60 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 120. After solving, you will get the point of intersection. X is equal to 15, y is equal to 30. Here x is equal to 20 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 120. So x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 80 by 3. With the help of these data, we can draw the graph. Here you see this line means CD line, that is the 2x plus 3y is equal to 120. Here it will be 2x plus y is equal to 60. This line, and the line passing through 30, 0, B, C and 0, 60. This will be the 2x plus y is equal to 60. This line, that is x is equal to 20, that is parallel to the y-axis. So the point of intersection has already been written here. You see the 20, 20, 20 by 20 and 80 by 3, 15, 30. Here it is 0, 40. So the area bounded by this corner, that is corner point, you see, the A, that is 20, 0, A point. B, that is 20, 20. C, that is 15, 30. D, that is 0, 40. So the corner, now with the help of this, you can work out the value of Z, that is 150, 250 and 262.50. This is 200. So the maximum value is 262.5. Now the maximum value of Z is 262.5 at the point C, that is 1530. Thus, the manufacturer should manufacture 15 toys of the type B and 30 toys of the type B to maximize the profit. And it was to be proved. That's all.